Are you ready to embark on a journey through time and space, exploring the ancient mysteries and transformative powers of a substance as simple as salt? Join me as we uncover the fascinating history, spiritual significance, and practical applications of salt that have shaped human beliefs and destinies for centuries. Get ready to be amazed by the hidden potential of this humble ingredient. Welcome, fellow seekers of knowledge and enlightenment. Today, we're diving headfirst into the captivating world of salt, a substance often taken for granted in our modern lives, yet steeped in rich history and profound symbolism. Picture this. A simple pinch of salt holds the potential to transform your life in ways you never imagined. It might sound too good to be true at first, but trust me, the power of salt has been revered across civilizations and cultures since time immemorial. Imagine a world where salt was once as precious as gold, sparking conflicts and trade routes that stretched across continents. From the great empires of antiquity to the spiritual leaders of today, salt has been hailed as a key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. But what is it about this seemingly ordinary mineral that has captivated the minds and hearts of humanity for millennia? When we think of salt, we often just think of seasoning our food, but its history is far richer than that. Salt has been attributed with mystical properties believed to influence our energy and shape our destinies. From the rituals of ancient civilizations to the teachings of revered spiritual leaders like Jesus and Buddha, salt has played a pivotal role in shaping human beliefs and practices. So how can something as simple as sprinkling salt in the corners of your home make a difference? How can a glass of salt water transform the energy of a space? Join me as we embark on a journey through history, exploring 4 compelling examples of how salt has shaped human beliefs and destinies. Then I'll share with you a straightforward technique that harnesses the power of salt to change your life, right now. So grab your metaphorical shovel and let's dig deep into the ancient mysteries and transformative powers of salt. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the hidden secrets of this humble ingredient and learn how to harness its power to manifest positive changes in your life today. Salt's profound symbolism transcends geographical and cultural boundaries, weaving its way through the tapestry of human spirituality for millennia. In Christianity, salt holds a prominent place, with numerous references in the Bible symbolizing purity, preservation, and covenant. For instance, in the Sermon on the Mount, Jesus refers to his followers as the salt of the earth, implying their essential role in preserving moral integrity and spiritual vitality within society. Moreover, salt finds ritualistic importance in the sacraments of the Catholic Church, where it is utilized in the creation of holy water. This sacred blend of salt and water represents purification and sanctification, cleansing believers of sin and consecrating sacred spaces for worship and devotion. Similarly, in Judaism, salt is a symbol of permanence and incorruptibility, often accompanying sacrificial offerings as a sign of the enduring covenant between God and his people. The act of covenant of salt, mentioned in the Old Testament, underscores salt's role in sealing agreements and establishing eternal bonds. In Hinduism, salt holds a purifying significance in religious ceremonies and rituals. It is considered essential for enlightenment and spiritual cleansing, symbolizing the removal of impurities from the body, mind, and soul. Salt's presence in rituals such as Utsava and Yajna reflects its role in invoking divine blessings and ensuring auspicious beginnings. Beyond its spiritual connotations, salt has long been revered as a potent guardian against malevolent forces and negative energies. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, employed salt as a protective agent against evil spirits and supernatural threats. Salt lines were drawn to create barriers of protection, shielding homes and individuals from harm and misfortune. In Japanese culture, sumo wrestlers perform a ritual called shiwari, where they scatter salt around the wrestling ring to purify the arena and ward off negative influences. This ancient practice not only symbolizes the purification of the physical space, but also the purification of the wrestlers' minds and spirits, ensuring a fair and honorable competition. Furthermore, salt's role in folklore and superstition is pervasive across cultures worldwide. From warding off witches and malevolent entities to dispelling negative energy and bad luck, salt has been used as a powerful talisman for centuries. Its presence in rituals and ceremonies reflects humanity's innate desire for protection, harmony, and spiritual well-being. Now let's explore how we can unlock the transformative power inherent in salt through practical application and metaphysical understanding. Principle number 3 delves into the mesmerizing structure of salt crystals, which exhibit intricate patterns of sacred geometry. This divine geometry, reminiscent of the underlying order of the universe, resonates with ancient wisdom and esoteric knowledge. By harnessing the simple salt technique, individuals can attune themselves to the harmonious frequencies of sacred geometry, aligning their intentions with the cosmic blueprint of creation. This alignment facilitates the manifestation of desires, intentions, and spiritual aspirations, empowering individuals to navigate life's challenges with clarity, purpose, and resilience. Furthermore, salt serves as a conduit for negative ions, which play a pivotal role in promoting physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Negative ions, abundant in natural environments such as forests, waterfalls, and beaches, have been scientifically proven to enhance mood, alleviate stress, and improve overall health. When salt dissolves in water, it releases charged sodium and chloride ions, which attract surrounding moisture and produce negative ions in the atmosphere. These negative ions, often referred to as nature's antidepressants, create a calming and rejuvenating effect akin to the invigorating sensations experienced in natural settings. The popularity of Himalayan salt lamps stems from their ability to emit negative ions, purifying indoor air and promoting a sense of tranquility and harmony. By incorporating these natural ionizers into living spaces, individuals can create sanctuaries of serenity and vitality, fostering holistic well-being and spiritual growth. Now, let's delve into the practical application of salt's transformative power through a simple yet potent technique. Begin by gathering a clear glass and filling it with sea salt, covering approximately 1/3 of the glass's volume. Next, pour water into the glass until it reaches the brim, allowing the salt to dissolve and infuse the water with its purifying energy. Once the salt water is prepared, take a moment to attune yourself to your surroundings and identify areas in your home or environment where negative energy seems to linger. Trust your intuition and discernment to pinpoint these energetic hotspots, whether they manifest as feelings of stagnation, tension, or discomfort. Place the glass of salt water in the identified area and leave it undisturbed for a period of 24 hours. During this time, the salt water will act as a powerful purifier, absorbing and neutralizing negative energy, restoring balance and harmony to the space. After 24 hours have elapsed, observe the condition of the salt water. If it remains clear and pristine, congratulations! The negative energy has been successfully transmuted and the space has been purified. You may choose to set fresh intentions or aspirations for the revitalized environment, infusing it with positive energy and vibrancy. However, if the salt water appears cloudy or murky, it indicates the presence of deeper-rooted negative energies that require additional time and attention to resolve. In such cases, continue the purification process by replacing the salt water every 24 hours until clarity is restored and the space feels energetically rejuvenated. In conclusion, the transformative power of salt extends far beyond its culinary utility, encompassing spiritual, metaphysical, and therapeutic dimensions. By understanding and harnessing its innate properties, individuals can embark on a journey of self-discovery, healing, and empowerment, unlocking the boundless potential of salt to uplift and enrich their lives.